Creativity School for Rug Hookers is right around the corner. The last day to register is Halloween. That's only a couple of days away. And the theme this year of Creativity School for Rug Hookers is hooking intuitively. Learning how to use what you know and trusting your intuition to make rugs that are really stunning. And that's what I've been working on for the last 15 years, trusting my intuition and building my intuition. And I want to help you do that. And the way I want to do that this year is there's 3 hours of recorded video in this course, a workbook, and 3 essays. Now, what I want to do is I want to teach you by giving you the recorded lessons. And then the following Thursday, we're going to get together live. There will be 3 live segments, 3 live lessons where we can get together. We can talk about the material. We can talk about the rugs that you're making. We can talk about using our intuition for growing our ability to hook great rugs. So it's partly live and partly lessons. But this is the other thing that's important. Even the live parts will be recorded. So if you can't make them, they're there for you. Or if you want to check back and think about something that was said in the live, it's there for you. Everything's recorded and you can learn at your own pace in your own time. Hooking intuitively, that's the theme of Creativity School for Rug Hookers Fall 2024 with me, Deanne Fitzpatrick. There's only a couple of days left to register. I want you to join. And it's on sale after November 1st. It'll be $249 until October 31st when we close the session. You can buy it for $199 with a $50 savings. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for considering. And thank you for joining Hooking Intuitively. I'm looking forward to working right with you. See ya. HookingRugs.com. I'm Deanne Fitzpatrick.